Hello friends, if you want to enable Copilot in your PowerPoint, how do you do that? I spent hours figuring out how to enable Copilot in my PowerPoint. But after spending so many hours, I realized, man, this was so easy and I could not believe it. But yes, it's so easy to enable Copilot in your PowerPoint, and I'll take you through all the steps. But before that, I wanted to show you a small presentation from Microsoft that shows you the power of Copilot in presentations. So that's a small video from Microsoft, and it tells everything about Copilot. So if you have a document or anything that you already have, you simply can, using just your own words, create a presentation based on a document that you upload, and you are done. Copilot is going to create a presentation based on whatever you update. You can then hone and publish and do whatever you want. You can add a new slide, you can add a new summary, you can remove something, you can do all sort of changes that you want to the slide, and that's really easy. But now the bigger question, how do you enable it? So to enable it, you have to take care of 3 steps, starting from the first one, that is you have to sign up to Copilot Pro. And how do you do that? It's very simple. You need to go to your Copilot account on Microsoft and sign up for Copilot Pro. That's the key. You have to be on the Copilot Pro subscription, which comes with a 1 month of free trial. So you have an entire month to explore Copilot and its features using PowerPoint. And once you have signed up for Copilot Pro, you need to go back to your Microsoft PowerPoint account, click on File, click on Account, and in Account you need to go back and update your PowerPoint. Once you have connected your Copilot account with your Microsoft account, you simply need to update it. So it's already up to date, and that is why I see Copilot in my PowerPoint. But if your PowerPoint is not updated, it won't show up. So once you've updated your PowerPoint, it would, like a usual thing, show up here. But at a lot of times when you will open PowerPoint, you might not see a Copilot tab anywhere on Home or elsewhere. But if you will closely notice that there is a small Copilot icon inside the presentation tab, and if you click on it, it automatically comes here on the right. And now I can ask it anything to do. So create a presentation about, add a slide about, or take a document and upload it and ask it to create a presentation. Do all of the different types of stuff that you want to do using Copilot on Microsoft, you are ready to do. So should you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'll be there, and I'll be waiting for your comments in the comment box below. So have a great day.